10 daily habits for your health. Prioritize sleep. Going without sleep is a lot like expecting your phone to run all day on a 12% battery. Walk more. Heading out for a stroll boosts your physical and mental health. Regular walking supports your immune system, reduces joint pain, and makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Meditate. Meditation gives you a way to tune into the present moment. In our busy, hyper-connected world, this can go way toward not just keeping yourself healthy, but also protecting your happiness. Eat more plant-based foods. A plant-based diet helps you maintain healthy cholesterol and blood pressure levels, and reduces your risk for some chronic conditions. Plants are full of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients we need to keep our bodies working optimally. Drink more water. Getting enough water helps your body flush waste and keeps your joints lubricated, while acting as a shock absorber for your spine and helping your digestive processes. Reduce alcohol intake. Lowers risk of high blood pressure, depression, and other conditions, decreases symptoms of those conditions, helps your body better absorb nutrients, improves sleep, and minimizes fatigue, supports liver health. Quit smoking. Does this come as any surprise? Smoking is bad for your heart and lungs, and it's also bad for your longevity. Long story short, if you want to live a longer, healthier life, kick the habit. Spend time with those you love. Call someone you haven't talked to in a while, or invite a few people over for a game or movie night. Check how you feel afterward. Better? We thought so. Take a break from electronics. Screen time takes its toll. In fact, studies directly link it with lower psychological well-being. Fortunately, the reverse is true. A digital detox can improve your sleep, boost your focus and productivity, reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety.